Marcia Hunt with Hot House Studio, and we're going to show you the latest bloom box that we're offering. We have some gorgeous garden blooms from both our local co-op growers and from our own Hot House Gardens. We're going to show you how to do a more advanced design today. We're going to use an old-fashioned flower frog, which is how you used to design flowers, and you put it in a bowl. All of your gorgeous antique glass bowls at home. We're using this fantastic gold medal compote today that we'll have available soon on Hot House Studio for you to buy yourself. But we're going to show you what to do with all these gorgeous blooms. I'll just give you a quick rundown of what we have today. We have the most amazing and most unique amaranthus that we've ever gotten. It's called Hot Biscuits, this gorgeous coppery colored one. Then we have some flame colored and fireworks colored celosia, which are one of my favorites. We have Gomphrena, which is also called Globe Amaranth, these cute little jelly bean looking ones in all these great bright colors. Then some fantastic garden roses from the Hot House Gardens, some zinnias from Hot House Gardens, and the dahlias. The dahlias are starting to come in now, fast and furious. They're just gonna get more and more beautiful every week that goes by until like October, when they're just gorgeous. Our favorite summer crush hot pink hydrangea and the limelight white hydrangeas are starting to come in, and then our classic hosta flowers and bupleurum are some of our favorites today. But we're gonna start with this arrangement. We'll show you a close-up later of how you construct this inside with the flower frog, which is just a pokey, almost like a pin cushion like thing that helps keep the stems in place. So you're just going to start placing them, and you want to just give it a little push, a little shove into the pins of the flower frog to help secure it in place. And we're going to start we're going to start layering some of the greenery in first, some of the outer layers. We're going to use some of this great Dusty Miller, some of this beautiful, this is sand cherry foliage, which is gorgeous, that great burgundy color. We also have some nine bark that is gorgeous in that burgundy color too. And we're just going to start securing it. And again, you want to just kind of impale it on the flower frog, the pin frog. And then after you get a few of those in, you're going to start layering the rest of the flowers, as you'll see, and then we'll show you how to finish it. And that's all there is to it. I'm sure you'll notice as you're doing it that as you put the first several stems in, then the other stems help to secure the others in place. So it gets easier as you go along. And you'll notice that we did not everything at the same depth or height. We have some that are taller, some that are tucked in more, some of the more delicate linear stems look beautiful if they're just kind of sticking out and poking out. And that's your arrangement. And be sure to like and subscribe our channel. And go to hothousestudio.com. You can order your own bloom box to be delivered every 2 weeks or every month, and you'll get these fresh garden blooms and just have this joy and beauty in your home. And thank you for watching.